In this video, you're going to learn how to set up a classified ad to sell a digital product. eBay had a policy change where they stopped allowing digital products to be sold in either auction format or fixed price listing formats. So now you have to use the eBay classified ad format. Now all digital products have to be sold within the everything else and information products category. Now there are two ways to go about creating your listing. You can do it right from within eBay and use sell and sell an item, or you can download a product that is free called Turbo Lister and let you manage all of your listings right on your desktop. What we're going to do is we're just going to show you how to use it off of eBay's site. So first of all, you're going to need to have a seller's account. So you'll have to sign up for eBay and then set up a seller's account. eBay has good instructions on how to do that. Then what you're going to want to do is go up to sell an item, and then we'd click on Start Selling. I'm going to sell a digital product that is a video series on tuning up Windows Vista. This is a private label rights product. In most private label rights products or resale rights products, you'll get the product as well as a website. Here's an example of what we got with this one. We got some documents. In the Flash, we have the videos, and we have a website. Has an index page, which is the main sales page, and it has a download page. Now, if we bring up the sales page, you'll see in here that it has graphics, headline, sales copy, and a buy now button. So what we're going to want to do now is we're going to want to take the web copy that is in here, and we're going to want to put it on our listing. So if we go to our listing, we'll do Start Selling. Then we pick our category here, so we can browse categories. And then we have to go to everything else, information products, and then pick the closest one in here. So we're going to be how-to guides and then self-help. Click continue. Now, for our title here, you're going to want to put in something that describes your product well and also has the keyword to your main product in it or to the main benefit of the product or both. That way, eBay's search function will bring you up in the listings. We come back to here, we could use the title that they have on here, Learn to Tune Up Your Windows Vista Computer. Or if you think of something that's better than that, you would put it in your classified ad. Okay, so we have in here, Tune Up Windows Vista video series shows you how. Now you can put a subtitle in for an additional 50 cents if you want to do that. Next you have category, so how-to guides, or you can enter your own. Shipping. In this case, it's going to be free because it's digital download. Actually, you might want to enter your own here instead and put digital download or something like that. Direct download. That way the customer will know that they can download it right after they pay. And add custom details. In here, you can enter a detail label and enter a detail if you have a custom detail that you want to include. Okay, now you can add a picture. So what we would do is bring up the picture manager and bring the picture in from our PLR package. Now, if you already have this uploaded to your website, you can use the self-hosted option and bring in the picture from the URL of the picture address. Let me just show you how you would do that. Go to self-hosting. Then I'll go to where my web page is loaded up here. Okay, so here is my website live, and what I can do is I can right click here and I can copy the image location. Then I can go back and I can click Add Picture, Self-Hosting, and then in the URL here, I can paste it in there. Click Insert Picture, and there it shows right there. Now, of course, the other way would be just to grab it off my computer. Just click on Basic, then Browse, and get it out of our PLR package on our computer. Then you can click Upload, and it's available for you in your listing now. So you can use either one of those methods. Down here we have Describe your item in HTML or standard format. Now, what you can do is you can go to the website and you can copy the text out of it if you want to do it this way. Just highlight it and copy it. Paste it right in here. And there you have it. Now, the only problem with that is it doesn't pick up your format, and you're going to have to go through and edit it a little bit, but that's no big deal. And you're also going to have to add your payment button, of course, and point it at your download page. Now we can preview. There is our image there that we brought in. And here is our text. And we just have to do a little bit of manipulation with that text. Put our payment button in and we're all set. Now you edit what needs to be edited in here. And it's easy because we have an HTML editor right here, so we can center this right away. We can change the color here. And then you should go and capitalize anything that needs capitalized here. And of course, what we were talking about prep before in the ebook, you should have actually be using a page that you have already changed, and images you should have already changed for the best results. I'm just showing you how to do it using the supplied materials to give you an overview. Okay, so fix up the headline there. Down here, put in the current date or the current date of your listing. Put your name in here. Edit any other text you see that needs editing in here. And then what we're going to want to do at the bottom is either put a link to a page on our server and have a payment button there as well as maybe some other offers, or put a payment button right here that when they click on it, it'll pay, and when they click on it, they will pay and either be sent to a download page, or you can tell them that we will be emailing them the product link location, whichever way you want to proceed. I'm going to actually put a payment button on here, PayPal payment button that has a link to my download page after they pay. Okay, so there is our ad set up within the editor here with our payment button on here for PayPal. Down here we can use the listing designer to fancy it up if we want. However, if we use the HTML page, it's not likely that we even need to do that. Down here now you're going to have to go to classified ad because this is a digital product. Okay, and then your advertised price goes here. Okay, your duration, 30 days or good till canceled. And it'll bill you $9.95 every day, every 30 days until you cancel it if you do it that way. Or to start listing immediately or to schedule it for a later date. And then down here you have your contact. You have your contact preferences, email. You can have your telephone here, secondary number, display your contact hours. And then down here, of course, electronic payments by PayPal. And your PayPal email address goes in here. Down here, we have additional checkout instructions. Okay, and then we have our text there telling them that they'll be immediately directed after payment to a download page. Now click continue. Now, here is the screen where they want you to have some upgrades, and some of these might not be a bad idea. So you can pick through any upgrades you want. You got Gallery Plus, put in a subtitle, gift icon, bold, outline your listing with a frame, highlight, and upgrade to a featured plus listing. And it'll show up near the top of the page when you do that. And featured first. And then there's home page featured as well. Okay, when you're done all that and decided how you want it to look, your fees will show up here. We have our fees of $9.95. And then all we do is list our item and we're all set to go. We can also preview our listing here. And here's what it'll look like once it was going. Okay, here's our text. Here's our payment button there. If you're happy with that, go ahead and list your item, or you can go back and edit it if you think there's something you need to change there.